In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a DocuSign document in just 5 minutes. Whether you're following up on a signature or simply need to correct an oversight, resending a document is quick and efficient. Let's dive right in. We'll begin by heading over to the official DocuSign website. You can access this by typing DocuSign into your preferred search engine or directly entering the URL in your browser. Once you're on the website's homepage, look for the Login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will take you to the Login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you're a registered user, enter your email and password, and then click Sign In. Should you have any trouble logging in, use the Forgot Password link to reset your credentials. Once successfully logged in, navigate to the DocuSign homepage. This part of the website serves as your dashboard, housing various options and tools that DocuSign offers. On this page, find and select the Agreements tab. This will allow you to manage the different documents you've interacted with. Next, look for the Sent option and click on it. This is where you'll find a list of all the documents you've previously sent out. If your document isn't immediately visible, consider using the search feature at the top to filter documents by recipient, date, or keyword. This tool comes in handy especially if you've sent out a high volume of documents. Once you locate the specific document you wish to resend, click on it to open its details. Here, you'll be able to review the status and history of the document. Ensure that this is indeed the document you intend to resend before proceeding. Reviewing the document details briefly will also alert you to any potential issues or reasons that necessitate resending. After confirming you've selected the right document, you will see the option to resend. Click on this button. This action prompts DocuSign to resend the document to the original recipients. An email notification will be set, informing them that the document is back in their inbox, ready for their signature. And there you have it. A simple but thorough guide to resending a document on DocuSign. Remember, this process is designed to be efficient, so don't hesitate to use it whenever you need. Before we wrap up, an important tip to keep in mind. Always double-check the recipient's email address for any typographical errors to reduce the need for resending in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel confident in handling your DocuSign documents. Until next time, happy signing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.